This video provides a brief introduction to the test items in the EEM calibration software. First, select a test project and modify its corresponding test items. This section is for configuring the maximum protection voltage and current. The protection voltage is usually set to 120% of the meter's rated voltage. This is the maximum protection current, typically 100% of the meter's Imax. It can also be modified manually. The option of output with fine-tune is to improve the accuracy of generating test points. However, enabling it may slightly increase the time required to generate the test points. This option makes modifying test points more convenient. We will introduce this in a later video. In this area, we can see 13 test items. They correspond to the settings on the right-hand side, such as warm-up, starting test, and creeping test. Double-click to enter the normal error test point table. Clicking test point setting opens the test point configuration page. We will introduce this in more detail in the following. Double-clicking the normal error menu returns to the main page. Test items number 5, 6, 7, and 8 are listed here. The test points can be configured by clicking test point setting. Single-click to select and double-click for canceling the test point. Test item number 9 is the influence test. The drop-down menu lists all the influence test subjects. Test item number 12 is the repeatability test. Double-click the normal error menu. Here is the repeatability test. It supports repeatability testing in all 4 quadrants. The test current can be configured here. Test item number 13 is the daily precision test. The daily precision test checks the meter's timekeeping accuracy. Test item number 14 is the maximum demand test. The maximum demand test verifies the meter's ability to measure peak average power. The last item we want to introduce is the connection checkup. It is a pre-check item before the test, and it is not included in the test report. The relay test checks the control functionality of the meter's built-in load relay. Meter's communication protocol is required for this test. The communication test verifies the alignment of the optical communication probe. Normally, those 2 test items are not required for standard customers.